Okay, this is SimsDoc, and this video is dated 7/11/2013. In this video, I will display the security system that I've been working on. In recent days, I've cracked it and begun working on more better models of this from a simple repeater system, which I will show you. Um, I don't have a Redstone actual world, so it's just in my current build world. So this is the original prototype system that I worked out. As you can see, it's just a simple repeater loop. And if you want, you can take basically this simple repeater loop and take some of the lessons that I've learned in later systems. But it's essentially the same thing. In this version, tracks actually turn off and on, but you can change that if you want. But anyways, basically it just disables and makes lights turn on and off and plays a nice little tone that I can't seem to replicate because this version of Minecraft doesn't have musical tones, unfortunately. I had someone report that because it's a bit of a bugger. But anyway, display this, it's working. As you can see, the pistons in the center rise and the lights turn on. And if I set it right up, another off mode, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, let's go to the next step. As you can see, there are two inputs, button and tripwire. I did not have enough time to build a, whatever it's called, lever to button, and the other one, trap chest to button. Actually, I don't even think I could find trap chest to button. Someone really needs to work on that. But it's essentially just you've got your override switch, well, disarm switch, which is basically disarms any input from your thing, which the alarm does that itself, but this, you don't have to worry about setting off your own stuff while building. And this is a complete reset. It'll shut off the main power source and then turn it back on. And I set it into a repeater loop with a piston and self-powering, so no perpetual motion, and then connected to several lights, redstone torches, and alarms. And you could actually connect this to basically everything, and it worked out quite nicely. But yeah, I'm now going to be that poor sap that triggers your alarm in your base, and As you can see, this side will actually feed into itself and lock, and once that's locked, the person cannot put any more input into your thing and shut your alarm off. It will just continue working until someone runs a reset on this. And as you can see, mine carts are no longer running. The lights are now flashing. And if I go in here, you'll see the redstone torches are now, flashing as an alarm. And you got that nice little tone that I don't particularly like. And of course you've got these things, which are of course, but don't get me started about lantern blocks. They're just, redstone blocks are just these ones I hate. They need to make hanging ones. And then of course you've got the overwrites, the lighting, and the piston thing. Luckily, most of my builds actually run off a torch, and then self-invert, which I didn't really realize until recently. But if I go to hit the switch for this, nothing will happen. It will continue to run. Actually, no, I think the lights are turned on. Shit. Oh well. No. Yeah. So they're broken right now, but yeah. That can be fixed later. Oh, I see. So if I just fix that up now, I can show you what. There you go. I'll have to reset this, but as you can see, the lights are no longer active, and this thing is, well, not moving. And this will continue to play until I, or your intruder, or you, manage to hit the reset. Yeah. Further advancements in this, I will probably